Good morning. It is 7:05 in the morning.
Morning.
We are getting ready with the stuff that we're gonna, that stuff. Going through all the supplies, making sure we have what we need with us for today. We're not fully awake yet. There has not been coffee. All right, good morning. I already said that earlier. We're more awake now, just a little bit. We are full, getting ready to head out and do the Redneck Soup Kitchen. All the vehicles are loaded down. Still tired, but yeah, it'll be a good day. All right, we are now at 7-Eleven, backing the truck up to the ice thing so we can fill up all the coolers and get all the drinks cold. All right, so we are down here in Fort Myers. We linked up with some of the Cajun Navy guys. This gentleman right here has been on the phone for about 15 minutes now, talking to a bunch of different people, figuring out where we're going to be the most effective. We're now going to drive 9 minutes away and start cooking for all of the linemen, because they're getting all the power and everything back up and operational around here, and they don't have food apparently. So we're gonna go make hot food for them. What's your name?
Tab.
Yep. Super nice to meet all these people, and we'll keep you updated.
I've got 4 trailers coming today, utility trailers, and they're going to try to pick up most of the stuff, cleaning supplies, because they've got a big distribution up in North Fort Myers. But yeah, all the cat food, dog food, we got dog cages. Yeah, any of that.
50 feet, turn right onto Island Park Road. Turn right onto Island Park Road, then turn right onto US Highway 41 South.
Like medical disposable gowns.
Possibly, and as we're on the internet today, if we get requests and he's putting this on the internet.
This is something else if you got somebody doing meals, or even, these are containers, like cups for chili or whatever.
Okay.
Fantastic.
Oh,
We don't have lids for them, but we've got...
we could actually use one of those for the pork and beans.
Want to grab box?
Oh man, get on the boat.
Us as volunteers, we can just basically pick stuff up and just hand it out.
Yeah.
That's awesome. And as
All right.
fast as we're setting it out, it's going.
Yeah.
We got alcohol. We got cases of disinfectant,
Okay.
sprays. This is all going this is hand sanitizer, the whole thing of that. We got
Awesome.
tons of that. This is going to Island, that one, that one, that one. These are some mixed chemicals. Another thing, you see our boxes got wet, broke. The peroxide, cases
Yeah.
of that. Other cases over here.
Had much more help in Louisiana than Texas storms with volunteer efforts.
Cajun Navy gave us some supplies. We're now headed over to start feeding the linemen. All the Cajun Navy guys we just talked to are awesome. So definitely help support them. Yet again, Cajun Navy, it's the rednecks. When shit goes sideways, you need the rednecks to come save you. All right, so who are you? Who'd you send us to go to?
Hey guys, Jax DeAndre. I am the Inspiring Piggy Bank mom of Dominic DeAndre. I'm sending Wick and these awesome guys over to DeSoto County Fairgrounds. It starts tonight at 4 o'clock p.m., hosted by Houston Griffiths. They are serving over 400 meals tonight, hot meals to families, and tons of supplies to pick up. So come on and see everyone down by DeSoto County Fairgrounds in Arcadia, Florida.
All right, so that's where we're headed now, and we're gonna make redneck tacos. So if you have signal and you saw this, maybe you can come get some tacos. All right, we are here. We actually have an overhang to set up at. We got the grills under here. They had some supplies that we were able to use. So the obscene amount of soda that we brought with us is cooling off inside here right now. We're getting everything staged. I just got the grills fired up. We're starting to prep the food, and then at 4 o'clock, vehicles are going to make a line at that gate and drive through here. They'll get hot meals from us and then supplies from over there. So that's how this is gonna work. All right, so we've got the food cooking over here. This lady needed some diapers, which there's a lot of diapers here, which is fantastic. When we've been handing out stuff, you know, diapers and feminine products have been going like that. So then we've got Jax here with her truck full of stuff.
Okay, watch it. I'm gonna airmail this pallet, guys.
Let's see. Looks like we've got some baby food. What's this? Fresh bread. That's awesome. All right, the line's gonna be coming through in about 20 minutes. We're getting as many clam packs put together as possible. All the hot dogs we're using first are from the Survival Living guys over on YouTube. So go check out their channel, Survival Living. We got Brock putting together clam packs. We got Brenton putting together clam packs. I'm grilling. And that's where we're at right now. All right, it is 8:10. We've got 2 people left in line. Hot dogs cooking right now. The massive mountain of supplies that was over there is significantly smaller now. Everybody's tired. That's Stump. He's very family friendly. It's a definitely child oriented content that comes out of him. But yeah, all this is possible because you guys keep donating to us and sending supplies to my house. So you're awesome. Thank you. Links in bio, the Amazon thing, and then PayPal, Cash App, anything you send, just put for hurricane and it goes for hurricane relief stuff. Okay, we're cleaning up. We've got Brenton doing dishes because we have running water here, so we didn't have to drag it back to the house. We're consolidating everything. So we came with 4 vehicles full of stuff. This is what we have left. And all of these boxes of bread were given to us when we were here. So technically, half of this pile of stuff was donated while we were here. And that's all we have left to take home. But what's awesome is over here, there is still a large pile of diapers left. So we're going to fill up the back of the van with as much of these as we can fit and take them to Pine Island tomorrow. Yeah. But yeah, we fed an obscene amount of people today. Which there's a time-lapse video, so that'll get thrown up at some point. All right, so we're loading up more supplies. Ton of diapers. Oh, they're falling out. Full of diapers. Full of diapers and cleaning stuff. Yeah, so we've got diapers, so that's awesome. Now we're gonna start heading home and regroup and figure out what to do for tomorrow, because we made all the food. Like the food that we thought we would have for both days, we made all of it today. So that's fun. Remember, this is all made possible by you guys donating. Links in bio. Cash App, PayPal. Just put for hurricane. Doesn't matter what you send, can be $1, can be $1,000. Like, it all helps. You guys are awesome.
Thanks, guys.
We're driving back.
I see you've been chasing your monsters and they've been driving you bonkers, just blinding with rocket launchers of light to blow out their conscious. If you really wanna juxtapose and take a darker color with the blush of rose and then you put it in your ink and watch it go, your mind is always open when your eyes are closed because you're blind to color and you're blind to greed, blind to all the things that you don't need, and you find a mind and then you plant a seed, then you nourish it a little, let it free. You're building it up, not breaking it down. Wanna give up, keep holding your ground. Turning it up, not tap to the sound. Oh, the sound of change.
I can hear it now, the horns are playing the victory sound. I live in the now, the sky's my home and I live in the clouds. Now or never, bound forever, making a change and making it better. I live with the shit, I love the pain. It's part of the journey, it's part of the game. I've been alone in the dark and the rain. I see the end and I wasn't afraid. I've been in tears and I wasn't ashamed. I hear a sound, the sound that I'm hearing is change.
You're building it